Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to verify your X account and age, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So, without any delay, let's just get started. You can start by opening up the X app and log in into your account first. And the first thing you can do is you can go ahead and subscribe to the X Premium. Because for account and age verification, you need X Premium. So, if you have not subscribed, you can look out for your profile icon in the top left, tap on it, and once you go ahead and tap on it, you can select the section for settings and privacy and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can go to the premium option available on the screen and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you will be finding different subscription plans available. You can subscribe to the one that you want. After that, once you subscribe it up, you just need to head over back and you will need to upload a government issued ID and potentially a live selfie for age estimation. So you can navigate to the security section for that, tap on security and account access, and you can just go ahead and initiate the ID verification process. So you can just go ahead and do so and complete it up, and Axe will review your documents to verify your identity in Edge, and that is it. And apart from that, if you want to view content and resolve as restrictions from your Axe app, you can go to your profile, tap on your profile in the top left, and tap on your profile name again. And once you tap on it, your profile opens up like this. Now you can look out for the edit profile option on your profile to access your details. And once you access it up, you should be finding a date of birth section. You can just go ahead and tap on date of birth section right here. And then you can just go ahead and select edit to enter your correct birth date and tap on save, continue at the top of your screen. And once you do so, once you verify your age, that is it. So if you'd also like to verify your X account and age, these are the simple method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.